NFPA 79 Chapter 6.5.1 General states that cabinets, enclosures, or housings containing live parts or exposed conductors must be provided with an interlock or other means to disconnect power before access to any live parts is possible. There are exceptions. Firstly, cabinets, enclosures, or housings for power distribution equipment where access to live parts is restricted on all sides to qualified persons only. Secondly, cabinets, enclosures, or housings for field-adjustable voltage regulators where access to live parts is restricted on all sides to qualified persons only. Based on the information that was given about a panel full of heater controllers and motor starters, it appears that the panel does not meet the exceptions to NFPA 79 Chapter 6.5. Therefore, it is required to have a power removal interlock on the access panel. The use of a warning label alone is not sufficient to comply with NFPA 79 Chapter 6.5. The access panel should have a key lock installed to prevent unauthorized access. As a best practice, even if the panel is considered to be largely maintenance-free, it is still advisable to have a disconnect switch installed for safety reasons. Therefore, you should proceed with installing a power removal interlock on the access panel of the panel.